This is a delicious vegan tart that you can never fail to make.
We are going to start with the crust first. Place one layer of phyllo dough in a tart pan and brush it with vegan butter. Repeat these steps for 5 more layers and fold in the ends of the dough. Bake the crust at 350 Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. Meanwhile, add 2 cups of oat milk to the pan and zest of 4 small Meyer lemons. Simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. Strain the lemon zest and place the milk back on the stove. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/3 cup of Meyer lemon juice, 1/4 cup of agave syrup, 1 teaspoon of agar-agar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with water. Keep whisking while cooking until thickens. Place the mixture into the tart crust and let it chill in the fridge overnight. Garnish the tart with your favorite fruits and enjoy with some tea.